copy and pasted what I needed to put. So instead of it sending me to a website, I'm going to make it email me. So if somebody clicks this link, it's going to automatically open up an email window. So I'm going to take out this fake email and I'm going to put my real email, which is hello@orlandoart.co. And then I hope I didn't just delete something I needed. Hold on. Let me make sure. Yeah, I took out a question mark. I need to keep that question mark. So we're just going to highlight the email address. And it's orlandoart.co. We're going to leave the subject the same. Like the word subject, and book a 1-1 call for the instant price. No, I'm gonna put appointment request. Yes, appointment request or instant price quote. Here we go. Okay. And make sure it says mail to. Okay, it does. I'm going to hit done. Done again. So now, when I hover over it, you see it says mail to orlandoart.co with the subject line already there. So let's test it and see if it actually does it. And it looks like it's working. All right, cool. So I need to move my window around because I'm screen recording this for YouTube. So it did it. So when they click that link, it's going to take them to appointment request for an instant price quote. It's going to take them right to their email, whether that's Gmail or something else. Mine is Gmail, so it took me to Gmail. That's my default mail, but yeah, so it works, and that's all I had to do, right? That's what's up. So I'm gonna move my window up because y'all don't need to know that I need to still pay for my Canva this month. But yeah, so instead of it going to a website, it's been changed so they can just email me if they want to set up an appointment. I don't really like putting, I guess, consultations and appointments on my website because sometimes just randos will book them and it just messes up the flow, and then it's like it's no refunds if you no call, no show, and I don't really have the patience for that. But yeah, that's how you would change your link to an email link if you want somebody to email you instead of go to a website specifically.